There is another key deadline this weekend. Open enrollment begins tomorrow for people who buy their health insurance on the Affordable Care Act marketplace, and some Iowans could see a significant price increase.
As KCCI's Kayla James learned today, insurance advisors say the higher costs are related to enhanced premium tax credits potentially expiring.
Every year before open enrollment, Janice Van On, an insurance advisor, hosts a webinar.
Typically, we have about 60 or 70 who will sign up or show up.
But as the government shutdown continues without a vote to extend the Affordable Care Act's enhanced premium tax credits this year,
we had 132 sign up for the live webinar and 103 show up.
The enhanced premium tax credits introduced during the pandemic in 2021 and extended in 2022 increased the amount of financial assistance that could be received. They also expanded eligibility for subsidies to people who made over 400% of the federal poverty level. If Congress does not vote to extend, the enhanced premium tax credits are set to expire at the end of 2025. Van On gives an example of the changes using a two-person household, ages 60 and 62, with an income of $84,800, just 1% over $400 of the federal poverty level.
They would have had $1,191, or about 66% of their premium covered. Again, 26, no help.
But the same two people with an income at exactly 400% of the federal poverty level will receive $1,193 per month covered with the tax subsidies and $1,090 without. The Iowa Insurance Division says 112,000 Iowans on the Affordable Care Act marketplace will see a difference. Van On says one of the worst things they can do is procrastinate and not review their account early in the 45 days of open enrollment. As for people who no longer qualify for subsidies,
start with your budget, review your account, and hopefully you can get it to where there's some help. And more importantly, hopefully our government can get things figured out.
Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
And if you need help when you are navigating that open enrollment, you can get some help through the healthcare.gov website. There is a tool there to help you find local certified help. We have a link to that tool on our website, kcci.com.